Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if you want to enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to turn on or enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on phone app. On our S18, click on apps. Search for phone app, so just type phone and then click on it. Now scroll down the page until you get to calls. Under calls, locate and click on Wi-Fi calling. Now once you click on Wi-Fi calling, to enable Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone, just go ahead and turn this on. Then you should see a port that says enable Wi-Fi calling. Call performance and text messaging may be affected. Then to turn this on, go ahead and click on enabled. If your network provider supports Wi-Fi calling, then you should see Wi-Fi calling turned on your iPhone. Make and receive call over Wi-Fi with your account. Review your carrier emergency calling information to understand the availability of emergency calling over Wi-Fi. So with this, then you are good to go. So that is basically how to turn on or enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.